Hello guys, for today's video, magre-react tayo sa Miss Universe 2024 question and answer portion. Nag-start na.
For the final question.
It is
So yan, Miss Nigeria yung mauna.
Come on up, please join me while the other finalists put on their
Nagla-live ako! Ayan si Miss Nigeria. Para si Miss Nigeria parang living Barbie siya. Ang ganda niya.
Okay, Miss Universe has inspired generations of women. What is your message to the ones watching you right now?
As a woman who has faced adversity,
Ang ganda ng mukha niya. Tingnan mo. Ang ganda ng mukha ni Miss Nigeria.
As Chidima Adetshina, I stand here as a symbol of hope, a beacon of faith. As someone who has persevered with grace, I believe I
Magpakita ka
have
sa ano.
hope for not only myself, but for Africa.
Thank you, Miss Nigeria. Thank you.
Okay ang sagot ni Miss Nigeria. Medyo hindi ko naintindihan. Charot lang.
Mexico,
So-
please join me.
Yung susunod na si Mexico na yung susunod.
Mexico, here's your question.
Tingnan mo naman
Miss
yung
Universe
gown ni Miss
has
Mexico
inspired
talagang
generations of women.
lalampasuhin ka sa dami ng mga papeders no.
Right now.
As my social
Very
service
relax si
says,
Miss Mexico
they don't serve women
magsagot.
several
Very lang
reference.
siya.
Right now we're in a huge problem that is social media. And the message that I want to give to the world is to fight, control, and adapt to this new situation with the emotional intelligence that we need to have.
Si Miss Mexico para siyang tita no. Para na siyang tita. Mabasa. Para si Miss Mexico para siyang tita yung mukha niya parang matured na ano, di ba?
With no fears.
Pero ang sweet niya magsalita.
Gracias, Mexico.
Tingnan, ang daming papeders ng gown ni Miss Mexico. Talagang kumbaga lalampasuhin ko kayong lahat parang gano'n. Nakakatuwa lang kasi di ba sa last edition ng mga Miss Universe, yung mga nakukuha lang is mga Latin country. Pero ngayon, Latin country o kaya Asia, di ba sa top 5. Pero ngayon, makikita mo na pati Europe nakapasok na sa top 5, di ba?
Here is the final question.
Tsaka ang ganda din talaga ni Miss Denmark.
Miss Universe has inspired generations of women.
Ano,
What is
blonde
your
lady,
message
blonde
to the
lady.
women watching you right now?
Say hi to the vlog.
My message to all the world that are watching
Ang maganda
out
kay
there
Miss
is, no matter where you come
Miss
from,
Denmark,
no
yung
matter
ano
your
yung
past, you can always
nagkikwento siya sa
choose
buong
to
ano
turn it
audience,
into your
diba? Which is
strengths.
maganda yun kasi
It will
kinakausap
never
mo
define who you
yung mga
are.
audience.
You just gotta keep fighting. I stand here today because I want to change. I
May
want to make
conviction talaga siya, no?
history.
Diba?
And
The way siya magsalita, may conviction talaga.
So never give up. Always believe in yourself and your dreams. And that is exactly what you're going to do. Thank you.
Ang sweet!
Thank you, Miss
Woo!
Denmark.
Miss Denmark talaga ang galing. Kumbaga, ang sweet niya magsalita.
Thailand.
Miss Thailand. Isang kandidata lang napasok sa Asia. Tingnan natin, pakinggan natin.
Thailand, here's your question. Miss Universe has inspired generations of women. What is your message to the ones watching you right now?
Ang napansin ko kay Miss Thailand, yung gown niya is parehas nung sa Binibining Pilipinas nung nanalo si Gasini Granados. Tingnan nyo yung pa-feather niya dito, yung parang eagle dress dito. Parehas na parehas kay Miss Thailand. Parang inspired by Gasini Granados gown, di ba? Agree kayo, di ba? Kasi alam nyo yan, di ba? Yung pink gown ni Miss Gasini dati.
One
Yeah,
message
pakinggan
I would
natin
like
yung
to
sagot
give
niya.
them is to always believe and to always have hope. Working on my project Opal for Her, I work along breast cancer patients and doctor. We all know that it is a hard thing to overcome this
Very
disease.
relax din siya
But what I
magsalita.
can feel is everyone
Parang
has
may
hope,
kaba na.
and
Parang
everyone
narinig mo parang may
believes that
kabe sa
tomorrow
boses
will be
niya.
a better day. As long as you believe, your
Pero
power
very
is infinite.
neutral lang
And
yung
as
voice
long as
niya.
you have hope, your spirit and your power will shine. Thank you.
In fairness naman kay Miss Thailand, maganda naman yung sagot niya. Tsaka ang ganda din, no? Talagang face card kung face card.
Venezuela, please join me.
Mapapansin mo yung mga Latin countries, Latin candidates na parehas sila yung mga hulumano.
Miss Universe has inspired
Kahit yung mga pasarela ng
generations of women.
mga
What is your message
Latina
to the
talagang
ones
parehas yung
watching
talagang
you right now?
galaw kung galaw na.
Buenas noches.
Oh, nagamit siya ng interpreter si Miss Venezuela. Ang sweet, ang ganda niya mag-smile, ang sweet niya. Tsaka ang cute ng ng translator, parang ang bait din. Ano?
El mensaje más importante que voy a dar esta noche va dedicado a todas las mujeres, no solamente las que están aquí, sino alrededor del mundo. My message tonight is addressed to the most important persons in the world, not only the women here tonight, but across the world. La corona de esta noche no es la que representa una Miss Universo. La corona de esta noche es cada una de estas mujeres que le ha brindado el respeto, el amor y la visibilidad a todos sus países.
Respect.
The crown tonight does not only go to the representative of Miss Universe tonight, but the crown goes to every single woman that has earned the respect, love, and visibility for us to be here tonight.
Thank you so much, Miss Venezuela.
Ganda.
Thank you.
Para sa akin yung may magandang sagot si Miss Thailand and Miss Nigeria. Parang strong yung sagot nila para sa akin lang.
These delegates have all earned their
Parang
spot
impanis
in the
yung
final
magsalita
speeches
sila, yung parang mga
and the
neutral. Alam mo yung parang hindi,
now
ang iba
your
kasi pag
fate is
nagsasalita
officially
talaga
in the hands
pasigaw
of the
na yung gano'n. Oh, si Miss Denmark ang nanalo. Woo!
The fourth runner.
Ayan, announcement na ng Miss Universe kung sino man nanalo. Fourth runner-up.
Venezuela.
Wala, si Miss Venezuela ang fourth runner-up. Yung nagamit ng translator. Oh, talagang nagbeso-beso pa sila sa candidates na. Para kumbaga sisterhood na sisterhood yung datingan. Tsaka happy din si Venezuela, hindi mo makikita.
The third runner-up is
Third runner-up na.
Thailand!
Oh, wala, na-shock siya. Parang hindi niya expect na siya yung matatawag, no? Yung parang nag-expect pa si Miss Thailand na ng higher placement. Top 1 siguro. Kaso wala. Hanggang third runner-up lang siya. Ay nako, for sure, galit na naman ang mga mga Thai fans. For sure yan. Kasi siyempre, hindi naman ini-expect na lang naman nanalo. Pero disappointed na naman ang mga Shupet Balar natin.
Runner-up.
Oh, the second runner-up na.
Mexico.
Oh, the host delegate yung second runner-up. Parang yun na sportsmanship, maghawa kamay sa mga kasama niya, di ba?
Down to the final
Kumbaga,
two.
sports lang.
And
Oh my
Denmark,
God!
please
Denmark,
step
Nigeria na, oh
forward.
my God. Hala. Sinong bet niya?
You will be taking the crown and
Kahit sino sa kanila, kasi siyempre, sa Europe naman, matagal nang hindi nanalo yung Europe, di ba? Tagal-tagal na. So, ang Africa naman, wala na rin na, matagal na rin sila. Walang Miss Universe, ang tagal na rin.
The new
Napapasahan lang ang Miss Universe sa Asia and South America. Oh my God. Denmark! Congratulations! Deserve ni Denmark, diba? Tsaka, ang bait-bait din niya. Taka, yung reaction ni Miss Denmark, talagang, alam mo yung genuine, yung parang hindi niya in-expect na siya yung mananalo. Parang, talaga, ako ba talaga yung mananalo? Parang ganun yung datingan niya. Yung pagka-shock niya talaga, genuine talaga. Deserve. Tsaka, she is so gorgeous, guys. Look at that. Parang ilang minutes din siya, parang shock na shock, no? Parang hindi niya in-expect talaga na mananalo siya. ang maganda sa kanila kasi ang mga girls makikita mo yung parang chinichir niya yung si Miss Denmark, yung hindi parang kumbaga deserve naman parang ganun. Hala guys, walang moment ng coronation si Miss Nigeria as personal acting nyo, hindi na tinawag, parang nakakasad naman yun, yung parang hindi siya nabigyan ng crowning first runner-up moment para, di ba, para i-celebrate siya as first runner-up. Siguro nagkaralimutan na, no? Nalimutan na nila, oh. Ayan, oh, nagpuntahan na yung mga girls.
Feature about Miss Universe Christine Ware next year's
Tingnan mo naman yung singer, talagang eksena talaga, oh. Parang, baga, singin ako dito, parang tinalo pa yung mga kandidata sa singer, talagang may paliyad talaga, no? Eksinadura yung yung singer, kaloka. Yan. So, kay Miss Denmark, congratulations. Deserve naman. Talagang happy tayo, no? Kasi ang tagal na rin hindi nagka-Miss Universe ang Europe, tsaka ngayon lang nakapasok sa tapad yung Europe, di ba? Ang tagal-tagal na. Palagi na silang nakakapasok sa semis. So, ayan, thank you for watching, guys, and sana, although this is my first time reacting a video, and thank you to all of you. Bye-bye! And shout out to my family in Drayton Valley, Mama, Kuya Onar, Ate Manilin, and Baby Allison and Baby MJ. Shout out to you. Bye-bye!
This Black Friday at Canadian Tire, shop prices that won't go lower this year with new deals each week. So you can buy what's on their wish list before they even make it.